Okay, what's up guys, your guy Shapiro once again. And guys, in today's video I'm going to show you where you'll be able to get blog posts and write on your website. Okay, so guys, I've done part 1 of this video, so in case you didn't watch the part 1 of this video, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Make sure that you go and watch the part 1 before you come to part 2, because there are some things that I've talked about in part 1. I'm not going to repeat it in this part 2 here. Okay, so let's go. Now guys, in today's video, as I said earlier, I'm going to show you where you'll be able to get blog posts and write on your site. Okay, as you can see on the screen right now, this is the site that I started creating with you guys. As you can see on the screen, this is the site that I started creating with you guys. Now let's go. Let me show you where you'll be able to get blog posts, because I know some of you watching this video right now, your problem is that you have a niche about a particular category, but I don't know where to get blog posts and write. My niche is about this and that, but I don't know where to get blog posts. Okay, I keep on receiving those kind of messages in my DM that we don't know where to get blog posts and write on our site. Don't worry, this video is going to solve all those problems. Now let's go. Now when you are here, the first thing that you need to do is to go to this website. That is what googlenews.com. okay, so just type in googlenews.com. Now when you type in googlenews.com, it will take you to a place that look like this. As you can see, I think my network is worrying me. I'm very sorry for that. Let me check. Okay, so it will bring you to a place that look like this. Now when you are here, you can see that we have the home page, we have for you, we have follow, we have Ghana, we have the whole world, we have the local, we have business, we have technology, we have entertainment, we have sports, we have science. Guys, you can see we have a lot of categories here where you can get your blog post. So in case you click on any of them, you're going to give you blog posts or news related to those categories you are seeing at the top here. Now let's assume that you want something in Ghana. We are just assuming. So let's assume you want to know the current news happening in Ghana, what is happening in Ghana, what people are doing in Ghana. All that you need to do, just click on Ghana here, and they are going to give you all the latest news in Ghana. So as you can see right now, you can see that this is the news about the flood that's happening to Akwafu. I think that was last week, and also a lot of the political aspect, everything that you need to know, they're going to give you here, as you can see on the screen. Now for those of you who want news about your locality, where you are, just come to local, and they are ready to give you news about your local, what's happening in your local, and those kind of things. Now let me show you. Don't just come here and come and click on anybody's blog post, just copy it and go and write it. No, you get your website banned. They'll ban your website. So let me show you how you'll be able to do it. Now let's assume that this blog post here, this Ghana web special, I want to write this blog post. All that I need to do is just to click on it. Okay, if I click on it, it will bring me to a place that looks like this. And guys, this is their site. Okay, don't just come here and just copy it and just go and paste it there. Guys, I said earlier, and I'll continue saying, they will still block your account. So just watch the video to the end and let me show you what you need to do. Now when you are here, all that you need to do is that you just copy the title one by one. And guys, some of you will not allow you to copy the article. Yes, some websites that you are seeing on the screen here, they will not allow you to copy the article. That's fine, just go to the next one. But in case you are still curious to copy the article, then I'm using an extension. I think that extension will help you so much. Okay, I'm using an extension at the top here. Just go and download that extension, and to help you to copy any article. But in case you want me to do video about how you can use the extension, how you can apply it on any website, just let me know. I'm ready to do that video. Okay, so this particular website, they will not allow you to copy their post. They will never allow you. But because of the extension I'm using, I can be able to copy any article. Now all that I need to do here is just to copy their first title. Okay, copy the title and go to another website that I called, I think in my last episode, this is what qboost.com. Come here, create a free account, and also paste it. Okay, paste it here. You are going to paste the article that you copied there. Okay, so all that I need to do, let me just copy it, come here, qboost, and paste it here for free. Okay, paste it here and click on our paraphrase, and they are going to paraphrase your article for you. So in case you don't like how they paraphrase for you, just go to the standard or fluency. Since you are using a free account, you will not get access to the rest of the categories here, because it's a free account. So you can use only the fluent and the standard. So copy so paraphrase the title, go to your website. Okay, go to the website you can see here, just go and paste the article there. Sorry, I think my network is disturbing. Paste the title of the article there, come back to their post again, copy the whole article. Just copy the whole article. Okay, when you copy the whole, so copy the whole article like this, just copy it, give it to qboost for it to paraphrase it for you. Okay, Okay, now you can see we are using the free version, so we are not allowed to paraphrase more than 125 words. So earlier on the last video, I said you need to paraphrase this one by one. So just come here, don't copy the whole article, copy it small, paraphrase this one, come here, okay, then paste it here. Okay, paste it here, paraphrase this one. When you paraphrase this one, go and paste it on your site. Okay, just paste it on your site, paste it on your website. When you paste it on your website, come back again, paraphrase it, and like that. And guys, before I forget to remember, I said in my first video that you need to get article not less than 1,000 words, because it's a new website that we created, so the articles must be more than 1,000 words, maybe roughly 1,000, 1,500, 2,000. Those are the articles I need to copy. So this article, for instance, is not good for you because it's very, very short, and when you publish this article, they will never accept your account. Okay, they will never accept your account. And guys, those of you who are asking me, so Shapiro, are we going to download this picture here, this image, are we going to download it? No, the answer is no. When you use their image, they will never accept your site. So all that you need to do, for those of you who are graphic designers, I said in my last video that I'm using a website called Canva. That's what I use to edit my images, my videos, everything about editing. This is what I use. So those of you who know something about editing, then I can encourage you, or say you might have used this app. Okay, so use this website Canva to design all your images. But those of you who doesn't know anything about graphic designing, you don't know anything about editing, then go and watch my first episode where I showed you where to get picture for free. Okay, you get the image for free without paying an amount of money. For those of you who don't know editing, go there and go and do that. Okay, for those of you who know something about editing, just come here, edit your own images and give it to them. So guys, that's what I have for you in this video. If you like the video, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so that I can be notified and drop more video. See you. We are still on the challenge for 30 days, 30 video. See you in my next video. I'm out.